Welcome to 16224 Keystone Drive in the Keystone of Galvez subdivision. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has an open concept with crown molding, mounted ceiling fans, and neutral color palette. The gas log fireplace is surrounded in granite, wonderful for those cool Louisiana evenings. The living room area opens up to the kitchen that features slab granite countertops, dark wood cabinetry, undermount sink, and black finished appliances. The kitchen is large enough to seat plenty of guests over for a large dinner party. The fully carpeted master bedroom comes with mounted ceiling fans and in a neutral color palette. The ensuite master bath has double vanity sinks with slab granite countertops, a large soaking tub with jets, and a full large standalone shower. This unique master bedroom closet has a walkthrough from the master closet into the laundry area for your convenience. Each of the additional bedrooms come fully carpeted and are painted in a neutral color palette, and have plenty of closet space for storage. The full bathroom for these rooms has a shower tub combination, dark stained cabinetry, and slab granite countertops. This home also features a hidden office area that you can use for a computer or bill desk. The large backyard has a beautiful scenic view of the lake. This yard is even large enough to have a swimming pool in the future. (16224) Keystone Drive is ready to be shown and available for your private showing today.